everyone, and welcome to Magic Rhyme and Stories. Get ready for some amazing adventures. Welcome to the Alphabet Jungle.
A is for antelope, bouncing with glee. B is for butterfly, flying wild and free. C is for cub, that's Leo, you see. D is for deer, dancing happily. E is for elephant, spraying like the sea. F is for fireflies, glowing magically. G is for giraffe, tall as a tree. H is for hippo, laughing cheerfully. I is for ibis, gliding gracefully. J is for jaguar, quick and quietly. K is for kingfisher, diving swiftly. L is for lion cub, roaring playfully. M is for monkey, swinging joyfully. N is for night owl, watching peacefully. O is for otter, splashing happily. P is for parrot, talking chattily. Q is for quail, waddling quietly. R is for rhino, stomping strongly. S is for snake, slithering softly. T is for toucan, singing loudly. U is for umbrella bird, puffing proudly. V is for vines, hanging leafy. W is for waterfall, sparkling pretty. X is for xylophone frog, tapping musically. Y is for yawning cub, stretching sleepily. Z is for zebra, trotting happily. Thanks for watching Magic Rhyme and Stories. See you in the next magical tale.